Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the always on display on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to navigate to the settings menu. So go to the app screen, then scroll and select settings. From here, you want to tap on watch face. And under watch face, you want to select always on display. Next, you should see this toggle underneath always on display. And to disable it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle like that. You'll notice the other options have also disappeared, which means that you've successfully disabled the always on display. So now, if you're worried about your battery life being reduced, you no longer have those issues because the always on display has been turned off. So that's how you can disable the always on display. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.